Okay, real quick, we just need to talk about this. 70% of all cancer and disease is self-inflicted. You're killing yourself if you're eating the standard American diet. If you may think you're eating healthy, but it's a sad diet, the standard American diet. If you've got bread and tortillas and just a couple of snack cakes and some pies and whatever else you eat for your little sweet treat, your high fructose corn syrup in salad dressings and stuff. It's ridiculous. Here's how it works. So I want you to look at this chain and think about each link as a disease. So this one's cancer, maybe another cancer, diabetes. We've got heart disease. We've got lung disease. We've got glaucoma. We've got chronic inflammation going to like bending your bones. So as we eat these foods that you may even eat only healthy labels, but as you eat, you're putting stress into until something snaps. It's the weak link. Oh, look at this time you didn't get cancer. You got the glaucoma. So anyway, you need to fix the diet and put these chains back together. You want the chains as strong as possible. So I started fixing my diet when I was 50 years old. I'm 57 years old. I don't know if I've stopped anything from happening, but I am prolonging it. We are allowed to grow up without growing old. Start thinking in longevity. Start thinking about food as fuel. Eat with purpose. Eat with purpose. Anti-inflammatory diets. It will be the starting point, the firm foundation that you need. In fact, I have a book out, and in the book, Your Great Reset, it comes with a chatbot that I made, Lexi, and she's going to help you figure out how to, from where you're starting right now, how to help strengthen your bones, strengthen your life, get your mind right, be able to, when I walk down the aisles now at the grocery store, I don't see, oh, look at those cereals. Oh, I want some of that. I see crack dealer, meth dealer. They're all just trying to sell us poisons. And they want me to pay for it with my hard-earned money. I'm done. Join the race. Let's do this. Let's fight back. Let's take charge of our own lives. All right, you guys. Come back tomorrow. We'll talk a little bit deeper about that. And later this week, we're going to start going through the book page by page, and we'll start checking everything out. All right, you guys take care. Hit the subscribe and the like button. Come back and see me again.